You woke up feeling heavy, not in your body, but in your soul. Your energy hasn't caught up with the day yet, and your breath is stuck somewhere behind you. This flow helps you return to yourself. Let's hit the mat. Before we move, we pause, because your nervous system needs softness more than speed. Kneel with your big toes together and knees wide. Lower your hips toward your heels, rest your forehead to the mat. Arms reach forward or rest beside your body. Breathe into your ribs and lower back. I promise this move is how you unlock calm before the rush begins. If your hips don't reach your heels, place a pillow or blanket under them for support. Next one gently opens you into strength. Now that you've dropped in, let's lift up with care. If you've been waking up stiff or slouched, this opens your heart and brings your spine back to life. Lie on your belly with your hands on the shoulders. Press into the mat and slowly lift your chest, keeping your elbows soft and shoulders away from your ears. Keep your hips grounded and breathe into your front body. I promise this move is how you unlock openness in your spine, chest, and breath. Drop to your forearms for a gentle Sphinx variation. Hold for 5 more seconds and feel the stretch behind your ribs. Now that your back's loose, let's open your hips. You've been holding things together? This builds the strength to carry it better, not just longer. Come onto all fours, lift your right knee out to the side like a fire hydrant. Lower with control, then switch to the left after a few reps. Move slowly with intention. I promise this move is how you unlock stability through strong, supported hips. Keep the knee closer to the floor for less strain. Focus on control over height. Do you feel that in your hips yet? Now that the big joints are firing, let's fine-tune the little ones. When you feel scattered, starting with the smallest parts of your body helps you feel whole again. Sit or stand tall. Roll your wrists and ankles in slow, smooth circles both directions. Point and flex your ankles, drawing circles in the air with your toes or into the ground. I promise this move is how you unlock mobility in the places that hold silent tension. Sit on a block or cushion if your back starts to round. Let's make this your most mindful minute yet. Now that you've activated from head to toe, let's close with depth and grace. Tight hips can still your energy before you even stood up. This brings it back. Sit with knees bent, feet flat, and hands behind you for support. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, come back to center, and alternate. Rotating through your hips. Go slow, let the movement feel nourishing, not forced. I promise this move is how you unlock balance and joint control from deep within. Wider feet, make it gentler. Closer feet, make it deeper. Adjust your breath. Let's make this last one your strongest hold yet. Close your eyes for one breath and let everything settle.